What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to lock your Netflix profile with a PIN using the mobile app. First, it's important to note that you can't use the Netflix app to enable profile lock. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser. So, open your preferred browser, go to netflix.com and log in with your Netflix account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the profile icon at the top right. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Manage Profile. Here, you'll find a list of all the profiles associated with your Netflix account. Choose the profile you want to lock. On the selected profile settings page, locate the setting labeled Profile Lock and tap on it. Netflix will ask you to re-enter your account password for security reasons. Enter your password and tap Continue. Now, you will see the option to enable a PIN lock for the profile. Check the box next to Require a PIN to access the profile name. Once enabled, you'll be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After setting the PIN, tap Save to apply the changes. From this point forward, anyone trying to access that profile will be required to enter the 4-digit PIN. Remember, only you should know this PIN unless you choose to share it with someone else. This feature is especially useful if you want to keep kids restricted to specific profiles or ensure that your own profile remains private. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.